We're standing outside of Crusader. Before we get into this, I want you guys chatting online. So a couple things. Either number one, let us know where you're watching from, because we love to know where people are watching from. Or text us in your favorite patriotic movie. Could be anything from, consider Top Gun, kind of, so anything like that. Platoon, Top Gun, Saving Private Ryan. Let us know what your favorite is. I'd love to hear from you guys. Let's talk about this Crusader, this fifth wheel.
Big fifth wheel, 382MBH is going to be the unit on that. So right off the top, you notice a giant awning. That's going to be on that side. Again, they don't put one above that, slide out, almost kind of pointless. Cuts you from a bunch of room.
Right.
Keep everything underneath here, and tons of storage too. So we'll check them out. Mine's locked, so we'll go on down to yours.
Yeah, there's a lot of storage underneath there.
Yeah, tons of storage.
Especially
Passive
there's more
storage
over there.
door. This is going to be all your cable hookups too. If you guys want to put like a TV in there, set it in there, maybe put it on a mount, swing it out, lights inside there. Tons and tons of storage. Full-time RVers appreciate that a lot. So
cool. All right.
Propane door over there. Solid steps.
So, all the stuff that you expect on the outside. Your speakers out here. Your lights underneath the awning.
Yeah.
Yeah. Should we get in?
Yeah. Let's check the inside out.
Inside. Is that a little wine rack up there?
That's what it looks like.
It does, doesn't it? That looks like it's even throwing you off. Like, wait,
I'm not tall enough to even really see it.
I feel like that's a wine rack up there. Yeah, you put the neck of the wine goes right there. I believe that's what that is. So this is an RV for fancy people. If you like wine, and I love this. Oh my gosh, that messed with me. Oh, that messed with me. That from right here, and it might be on where that does not look like.
It looks 3D, don't it?
Yeah, that looks 3D. When I even walked in, I thought, oh, that's kind of cool. They kind of wove that together. That's wow. All right, so 4-burner stovetop, big oven, one of the big ones, so you can cook whatever you need in there.
And turkey in there.
Yeah, absolutely. Nice microwave above.
Stainless steel residential size refrigerator too. So
big old refrigerator. Again, with a wine rack above it. That's cool.
Tons and tons of storage. Big island too. Of course, all the cabinetries here incorporated in it. Storage doors.
And I really like this countertop.
I do too. Solid surface. Don't have to worry about the porous kind of stuff getting stuck down in it. I like the farmhouse style sink too. I mean, that sprays out big pots and pans that normally can't fit in the divided sink too. So you still have the drying mats above it, act for more space. So.
Yep. The white cabinets is just sharp.
Looks modern. Makes it look very open, spacious.
And it looks like, I feel like white cabinets are deserving, is that the right word, of a wine rack. I'm so thrown off by the wine rack, how cool that is. But yeah.
Good size entertainment. There again, another Furion product. It's going to be the little speaker bar.
Okay.
Connect your phone to it, play it on the outside, inside, fireplace, big TV. Pull-out couch. It's going to fold 2 different times coming out. Make for a nice size, like pull-out couch like you're used to in maybe your home. Tons of storage up above. This is also going to have... It's going to have your zebra shades too.
Yeah, those are cool.
So you go up like that, it's a blackout shade. You go like that, it's a normal shade.
Yeah,
so
those are awesome. If you haven't seen that yet, there you go. They're fun to play with. It messes with your eyes a little bit. Everything in this thing messes with your eyes. I mean, look at that. Woo, that's cool. Yeah, very cool. Theater seating, have we mentioned that yet? Right across from the TV?
Yep, theater seating is going to be power, so you're going to have your power lights there on that. I'm going to have some chargers space in here, remote storage like you mentioned before.
Yep.
They never end up in there.
Right. You like a couple movable chairs, and then is that bench not? Yeah, it's part of the. I don't know. Is it?
It might be movable. I feel like it might be. Just Velcro then, and I can move out.
Oh yeah, so you can move that. That's cool. Which is good because it's pretty far away from the. You're probably going to want to move that a little closer to the table.
Yeah, depending on the size.
Yeah. So there you go. Very cool. Sometimes it has an extension. Yeah, it does. Oh, maybe no. Maybe not. No.
Nope.
No. No, sorry. But you can. I don't know. There you go. There's a table. I think it's just a table, which is still good. You need a table when you're in the kitchen. Should we go this way?
Yeah, let's check the mid bunk area out.
All right, walk into another one of these bunks, these mid bunk rooms.
That's going to lift up too.
Yep.
It's going to just latch right there. Too easy. The couch is going to be a jackknife style. It's going to fold flat. More sleeping space. Tons of cabinet space here. Wardrobe. I'm also going to have your TV hookups right there also.
Yep. It's very cool. Again, if you want to turn it into an office room here for a little, maybe a little desk that you can slide under and work, or maybe even just keep it under here, and you take that out. And, hey, there's all kinds of stuff you can do with this bunkhouse if you need more than just a bunk. So step out, head upstairs. I dig these steps. Those are kind of, talk about modern looking. Those are pretty cool.
Oh yeah, kind of like a floating step. Is that what you'd call that?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, it's kind of cool.
Bunk space
loft
above. Nice.
So whether it's whether you got kids sleeping up there or you use it as storage, you know, you can do whatever you want. It's your RV.
Nice.
Yeah. Yeah, very clean looking. The white is just clean. So there's a couple cabinets opened up. You got a sliding door here that you can't see with the sliding door.
I got a pocket door.
Yeah, save you a little bit of room. Close those up. Big shower. Plenty of room in this shower, so you're not bumping up against anything. I'm 6 foot. Plenty of room above my head. Nice little cabinet. Countertop area with a medicine cabinet, and you got your space underneath. Yeah.
Good sized bedroom. Bed slide. That's one of my favorite things here. You're gonna have tons of room to walk around the bed, get ready. Also gonna have a big cabinet here. That's gonna be a washer and dryer prep.
Nice.
And if you don't use that as a washer dryer prep, that's all storage.
Yeah. Lots of storage.
More storage over here.
Oh, wow. Yeah, look at
Shoe
that.
rack.
I like the shoe rack off to the side there. Some of them are in the back, which is fine, but off to the side there might be a little easier to get to.
Exactly. CPAP storage, sleeping machine, whatever you guys got to do. Storage above the bed. Bed might lift up. Let's see here. Oh, yeah, there we go.
Let's come out around here. My mic gets caught up. Oh, yeah, lots of storage. Wow.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a lot of storage.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, look at that.
And then you've got above here, this is where your TV. You've got a TV that fits right inside there with a little bit of space above it and below. And you got your windows. You're not blocking your window with TV. It hides up in here.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah. Again, this white is very, very classy looking.
Modern.
Yeah. Yeah, I love it. One more time. This RV has a wine rack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bottles of wine right up there on top.
If you're not a drinker, it's sparkling water.
Yeah.
That's going to be able to fit just fine
I mean,
in there
anything.
too.
I'm assuming you could put 2 liters up there. It's just more space to carry stuff.
Yep. 2 liters of dew.
Yeah. Yep. All right. So there you go.